From a process that can only be described as a natural wonder, pearls are the result of a remarkable transformation within the humble oyster. Over time, a tiny grain of sand or an irritant is transformed into a precious gem, a pearl. It's a journey that takes patience, time, and the wonder of nature. Throughout this video, we'll explore the creation process of pearls, from the roll of the oyster to the final lustrous gem. We'll delve into the different types, their values, and how to truly appreciate these natural wonders. So, are you ready to uncover the mystery behind the creation of pearls? Let's dive in. Our journey begins with the humble oyster, a creature that is much more than meets the eye. Often considered merely a culinary delight, oysters are actually fascinating beings with a rich and complex biology. Let's dive in and explore the life of an oyster, shall we? They are bivalve mollusks, which means they have a two-part hinged shell. Inside this protective shell lies the oyster's soft body, complete with gills, a heart, and even a small brain. Oysters begin their life as larvae, floating freely in the ocean until they find a suitable spot to settle and metamorphose into a young oyster, or spat. From this point on, they remain in the same spot for their entire life, which can last up to 20 years. Oysters play a vital role in maintaining the health of our marine ecosystems. They are filter feeders, which means they feed by straining suspended matter and particles out of the water. A single oyster can filter up to 50 gallons of water a day, removing pollutants and providing cleaner water for other marine life. Now let's move on to the oyster's most famous product, the pearl. Pearls are formed when an irritant, such as a grain of sand, gets trapped inside the oyster's shell. In response, the oyster secretes a substance called nacre, or mother of pearl, to coat the irritant and reduce its irritation. This process is repeated countless times, layer upon layer, resulting in the formation of a lustrous pearl. This captivating process of pearl formation is a testament to the oyster's resilience and adaptability. What starts as an annoyance, a mere grain of sand, is transformed into a thing of beauty, a precious pearl, a true testament to the saying, "Pressure creates diamonds," or in this case, pearls. Now that we've met the oyster, let's explore how this little creature creates something as precious as a pearl. The birth of a pearl is a truly remarkable process, a testament to nature's ability to turn adversity into beauty. Imagine being an oyster, living your life in the depths of the ocean, when suddenly an intruder invades your shell. This could be a grain of sand or a tiny parasite, something foreign that doesn't belong. This intruder is an irritant and it's uncomfortable. Rather than allowing the irritant to cause harm, the oyster springs into action and begins to protect itself. It secretes a substance known as nacre, also known as mother of pearl. Nacre is a combination of calcium carbonate and a protein called conchiolin, which are also the same materials that make up the oyster's shell. The oyster coats the irritant with this nacre, layer upon layer. It's a slow and meticulous process, with the oyster adding just fractions of a millimeter at a time. Over the years, these layers accumulate, harden, and eventually form what we recognize as a pearl. In essence, the pearl is a product of the oyster's defense mechanism. It's the oyster's way of healing, of taking something intruding and turning it into something beautiful. It's a transformation from a mere grain of sand into a treasured gem. The role of nacre in this process cannot be overstated. It's the substance that gives pearls their luster, their iridescence. When light hits the pearl, it refracts off the layers of nacre, creating that mesmerizing glow that pearls are so famous for. The thicker the nacre, the more lustrous the pearl. Remember, not all irritants lead to the creation of a pearl. It's a rare event, which is why pearls are so precious. It's also a testament to the resilience of nature, to its ability to turn adversity into a thing of beauty. It's fascinating to think about, isn't it? How something as simple as a grain of sand can, over time, transform into a lustrous pearl. It's a testament to the wonders of the natural world, and a metaphor for life itself. So, a pearl is essentially the oyster's solution to an irritant, a beautiful solution indeed. Pearls come in all shapes and sizes, each with its own unique charm. Let's dive into the fascinating world of these ocean gems and explore their diversity. There are 4 main types of pearls: Akoya, freshwater, Tahitian, and South Sea pearls. Akoya pearls, named after the Akoya oyster, are primarily cultivated in Japan and China. They are renowned for their perfect round shape and mirror-like luster. Typically, they range in size from 2 to 11 millimeters and are often white or cream, with overtone colors of rose, silver, or cream. Freshwater pearls, on the other hand, are grown in freshwater lakes, rivers, and ponds, predominantly in China. Unlike the other types, they can form in a variety of shapes and a wide array of colors, from white to pink, lavender, and even a rare metallic sheen. They are usually smaller in size, though recent cultivation techniques have led to larger sizes. Next, we have the exotic Tahitian pearls, also known as black pearls. Despite the name, these pearls offer a spectrum of colors from silver to deep, dark green, with an almost metallic sheen. They are cultivated in the warm waters of French Polynesia and are usually larger, ranging from 8 to 18 millimeters. Finally, we have the South Sea pearls, the largest of all pearl types. They hail from Australia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. With sizes ranging from 9 to 20 millimeters, these pearls can be white, cream, or golden, and are highly sought after for their size and satin luster. The type of pearl not only depends on the oyster species, but also on the environmental conditions. Factors like water temperature, salinity, and even the oyster's diet can influence the pearl's color, size, and shape. From petite seed pearls to the large South Sea pearls, the variety is truly astounding, isn't it? Pearls have been cherished by civilizations across the globe for their sheer beauty and rarity. They have been a symbol of wealth, power, and elegance, their lustrous allure captivating the hearts of kings and queens, emperors and empresses, and individuals of all walks of life. Historically, pearls were so highly valued that the Roman general Vitellius allegedly financed an entire military campaign by selling just one of his mother's pearl earrings. In the Renaissance, pearls were seen as a status symbol, worn only by the nobility as an emblem of their high standing in society. In cultures around the world, pearls have been imbued with deep symbolic meaning. In ancient China, they were believed to guarantee protection from fire and dragons. In ancient Japan, pearls were thought to symbolize the journey of souls in the afterlife. But the value of pearls isn't confined to the annals of history. Today, they continue to be a staple in the world of jewelry. Their timeless elegance makes them a popular choice for everything from wedding jewelry to everyday wear. The quality of a pearl can greatly influence its value, with factors such as size, shape, color, and luster playing a significant role. Pearl farming, also known as pearl culturing, has revolutionized the pearl industry. By artificially introducing a foreign substance into the oyster, pearl farmers can stimulate the creation of a pearl. This has made pearls more accessible to the wider public, while also allowing for the production of pearls in a variety of shapes and colors. Yet, despite the advent of pearl farming, natural pearls, those formed without any human intervention, remain incredibly rare and highly sought after. A single natural pearl can command an astronomical price, reflecting the rarity and natural wonder of these gems of the sea. Pearls are indeed a testament to the wonders of nature and the enduring allure of natural beauty. Their value lies not just in their monetary worth, but in their symbolic significance and the centuries of history they carry within their lustrous depths. As we come to the end of our journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty and wonder of pearls. These small, lustrous spheres are not just pieces of jewelry, but the result of an intricate process that begins within the humble oyster. From irritation to beauty, the birth of a pearl is a testament to nature's ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. We've explored the different types of pearls, each unique and captivating in their own way, whether they hail from a freshwater river or the salty sea. And we've delved into their value, not just in monetary terms, but for their cultural and historical significance. Pearls are indeed a treasure, a gift from the ocean that continues to fascinate and bewitch us with their simple yet complex elegance. The next time you see a pearl, remember the incredible journey it has taken from the heart of an oyster to you.